Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is the part two in the instrument cluster on this GMC Yukon. Just want to show you before I put it back how the actual dashboard looks. As I said before, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is pull this trim out. The one is on the other side, and this is the hole where the instrument cluster goes. So obviously I will be just plugging it in and make sure that all the lights are working. I have the battery disconnected, so the only plug that this cluster has is this one right here. So let me plug it in and I'll show you guys how it goes. All right. All right, guys. I think the picture in the video shows the truth of everything. So we have a nice working cluster. The Prindle lights are perfect. So everything is just perfecto. As you can see, the prindle right now is completely visible. All the blinkers, everything is nice and light up. All the LEDs on the cluster are back to life because this was really dim. So as you can see, well, right now is because I got the parking lever down. That was what it was showing third, which wasn't third. So everything's perfect. Let me turn this off. Everything looks pretty good. All right, guys. Again, this is the repair. You guys saw what I did on the first video. This is just a short to show that everything is perfect. I just going to put the dashboard together and that's the end of the video. So thanks a lot and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.